In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Lovable to GitHub. This is a straightforward process, and by the end, you'll have successfully linked your Lovable and GitHub accounts. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to sign in to your Lovable account. You can do this by navigating to the Lovable website and entering your login credentials. If you haven't yet signed up for Lovable, you'll need to create an account first. This typically involves providing some basic information like your email address and setting a password. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of Lovable. Next, you'll want to head over to the Settings area. Look for an option that says Settings on your dashboard. This is usually located in the upper right corner or on a menu along the side. Click on Settings, and that'll lead you into the section where you can adjust various preferences for your account. Once you're in the Settings section, locate the tab that says Connectors or Integrations. This is where Lovable allows you to connect with different external services and platforms. Click on this option, and it will present a list of possible integrations. Among these, you'll clearly see the GitHub icon or name. Click on Connect GitHub. By doing this, you're initiating the process that will link Lovable to your GitHub account. At this point, a new browser window or tab will open, directing you to GitHub's authorization page. Here, you'll be prompted to sign in to GitHub if you haven't already done so. This requires entering your GitHub username and password, so make sure you have those details on hand. After you've successfully logged into GitHub, you'll be asked to authorize Lovable. Authorization is a key step as it permits Lovable to access your GitHub account. This step is crucial for enabling the integration, so review the permissions being requested. Once you're comfortable with the access Lovable is requesting, click on the Authorize button. And just like that, you've now connected Lovable to GitHub. What this integration means is that you can now sync projects, pull information, and automate workflows between Lovable and GitHub, streamlining your project management and development processes. If you run into any issues, remember that Lovable and GitHub both offer support services. Checking their help sections can provide additional assistance. Also, consider revisiting any steps you might have missed or rechecking login credentials if the connection isn't established on the first attempt. That brings us to the end of our guide today. Connecting Lovable to GitHub unlocks a whole new level of productivity and efficiency, and now you're all set to make the most of it. Thanks for joining in, and make sure to check back for more insightful tutorials.